Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this gorgeous 2015 Mini Cooper. This is the 5-door version and comes with the 1.5 litre petrol engine with a manual gearbox returning up to 60 miles per gallon, so really good on fuel economy. The mileage is very low at just over 29,000 miles, and this is a one-owner vehicle with just £20 a year to tax. The Moonwalk Grey looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. This car has 23 factory options, totaling just under £6,500. So a few that I can mention off the top of my head. You've got satellite navigation, the chili pack, heated seats and the quick clear windscreen. Also automatic headlights and wipers. I do like on these seats, you've got the half leather seats with the fabric in the centre. It looks really smart. Rear passengers have got a surprising amount of legroom in the back there, and I see the car still has the original mini carpet floor mats as well. And as I open the tailgate, you see you've got the split folding rear seats there, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And then with the boot floor, there's also got some extra storage underneath, or you can remove the boot floor completely to give you as much luggage space as possible. Externally, the car comes with the black roof and spoiler, also the matching alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. The car's been independently inspected by an AA engineer who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.